very good for you to practice one hand. It makes it more interesting and it teaches you something. That's plenty big for a post to keep it on center. Keep it really nicely on center. And then just re-spin. Together. I like to do this. Blow it clear. And of course, this is a soft white. It's not Duro. For a soft white, you can give it up like this. I'll do that. And here you go. Then leave behind the door. And then just barber it. This color right now is a little bit tapered. I would barber it to a cylindrical shape. Yeah, it's barber. And to make it fast, we want to make it barber. We want to make it a little stubbier, and we want the end straight. So it's nice if somebody does that for you. Okay, now get it hot. Make it nice and smooth. This is Riken Rock white. It's R61, which is a really nice soft white. So you can marble. That will work great. You're ready to marble. And it's really important, I think, even though this cane is nice and smooth, I think it's really important to get the whole thing slightly soft. That way you know it's all That way you know it's all the same temperature. So two things can go wrong in pulling a cake. First is to stick it together and have the hot part up. That's bad. Have the hot part down. The other thing that's bad is after you gather, if you let it get too long, too soon, you'll lose control of it. So it's coated down, so you want to rip some off. But as soon as you do that, then hold it up. Keep it short. You want to keep it stubby and short. And then you can keep control of it. Okay, we're ready. This is a pony down. And I go right for the light cooler. Because you want to be able to put your left hand. You want to be able to put your left hand in a balance point. And with a lot of glass, the balance point might be right there, you know? Okay, now hold it slightly up to keep it short. Nothing gets it. And that marker level very lightly. Don't let it get lost. Raise the right hand a little bit, since it makes it. Then hold it up the elevator. Keep it short, whatever you do. Again, very light arm. There you go. Now, when you gather the next time, that's going to be when you gather the next time, I would go in a little deeper than the first one. Okay? Yeah. A little deeper than the first one. If you want to really let it get kind of stem, because R16 gets really soft, really sudden. And the trick is, if you want to lose the control of it, just hold it up. And like the arm, or hold it up, like the arm. The usual time that it gets scary is right after you come out of the second gather. Because it's stripping it off, you hold it down, and then hold it up immediately. I'm just telling you stuff that goes wrong that causes you to lose a nice piece of glass. You know, and you can gather it. Incoming cylinders. Be very light, very light. Turn faster, it's easier. There you go. Now try to arm only touching the outer half. Okay, yeah, just that. That's it. Go that way. When you turn fast, it pulls it a lot.
Is it important for?
Now that. Yeah. Yeah, that helps to not. Yeah, we'll just freeze it. It doesn't matter. But yeah, when you come out of the gather, if you hold it up, as soon as you come out of the second gather, you won't hold that. Okay, that's enough of that. That's enough of that. Now, make the ends flat. Turn, push down, push down. Now level, and just farm the outer, just touch the outer half. I go in the corner, about 20. And a little bit low when you're making. Now this blood pipe end is pretty cool now, so we need to really get it hot. So what you do is you repeat, and then you arm in the outer half. Repeat, arm in the outer half. Just keep doing that. Yes. The end will always be the last part, because we've got the most surface area. It gets the shine and repeat. And keep it up a little bit, like 1 degree, in repeat. Up. There you go, up. Use farmer to your next, okay? And the one behind you. Okay, here you go. And just the outer band. No, get on the plank. Yeah. Good. 3 feet. Hold it behind the door. Now we need to pull that bottom into again. So let's go over and do that now. Keep it up until you go in the water. Down. You keep it up until you go in the water. That's so it doesn't get long. And freeze that clear thing. Stay there. That's it. Okay, pull it out. And stick it together. That's it. That's okay. That works fine. Push. Good. You got it. Come on here. Now begin to float. Hey, see which is, well, now get over here and where it's out of the sun so you can see. This is the hot part, so that stays down. This is the cool part. Okay, you want to do that? That's it. Begin to pull. You stay up, turn, and just begin to pull. That's going to be a nice pull. I'd slow down a little bit. Do not let it touch the ground. Just get a little faster, a little faster. You stay way up. Stay way up. Keep going. You can hold it level now. Be comfortable. Hold on. Slow down. It's probably getting very stiff. We got it. Oh, I was going to say this. You can put that in the water. That's fine. That's not worth saving. Anybody else want to pull one? Anybody else want to pull one? Okay. Take a blow pipe and gather, please. Coating gather.